Natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for watching this video. Thanks for clicking. To all my new subscribers, which I seen I got a lot of new subscribers, thanks so much guys for hitting that subscribe button. It means a lot to me. Thanks so much for joining my family. So I haven't done a story time in a little minute. As you guys can tell by the title of the video, it's not going to be like a happy, jolly, lit story at all. Yeah, it's more of a morally inclined type of story, something with a message and something that I really want you guys to consider, because I consider you guys my family and I just feel like giving life advice is something that you should do whenever you can. So this is just me sharing this story with you guys because it really hit me, you know, it really hit me, and I just felt like I wanted to share. So if you guys want to hear this story, keep on watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't hit it yet, and please turn on your post notifications so that you get a message every time I put out a video. If I seem kind of flustered, it's just touching, and I thought about it the other day, so I was just like, why not share it with you guys, because it does have some meaning behind it. So let's get into this story. Alright guys, so in 2008 I left Jamaica for the first time. I don't remember how old I was in 2008, but in 2008 I left Jamaica for the first time to stay with my family in the US for summer holidays. So my mom and I had a flight together because I was a minor at the time, so of course you have to be accompanied by an adult or pay the air hostess to, you know, accompany you or chauffeur you or whatever. And my mom wanted to leave at the time, so we just left together. However, when we got to the airport, there was some mix-up with the seating. There was something went wrong, and we ended up not being able to sit beside each other on the flight. Now I was a bit scared because it was my first time flying, and I wanted to be next to my mom, but you know, it couldn't happen, and we ended up sitting. She was in the front, I was behind her, like probably about 6 or 5 to 7 seats, you know, behind her. So I was there sitting, and I think this guy was there before I went around there, or he came in after. I'm not even sure. It's been so long I don't even remember. But I ended up sitting beside this guy, and he's the one the story is centered around right now. So I had my seat, and of course I was mad young, you know, so I was just there looking out the window, and I love window seats, guys. If I'm flying and I can't get a window seat, I do not want to go on that flight. I just love being able to look out the window. It's nice. No, I think I remember I was there first and then he came on. We were there, finally the plane took off. My mom was like, she kept looking back, you know, trying to see if she could see me, because she hates not being next to me, being able to see what I'm doing. So I was just there, you know, sitting, and I remember an elderly white person was sitting beside us. So it was me at the window, him in the middle, and the elderly white person to the side, well, to the aisle seat. When we were in the air, that's when he talked to me for the first time. So when we got up into the air and my ears began to pop, and he could see that I was uncomfortable, he was like, he offered me a gum. He was like, you want one of these? And I said yes, and he was like, here, take this, and he gave me a gum. I believe it was, if it wasn't a juicy fruit, it was a double mint. And he gave me the gum, and I was like, yeah, this definitely makes it a whole lot better. After that we started talking, we talked about school, we talked about our parents, and it turned out that he was literally leaving Jamaica to get away from something. He's from Mobay, that's where he's from, and I actually had the flight in Montego Bay, so he was pretty close to home when he got on the plane, right? So we boarded the flight in Mobay. It was from Mobay to Philly, that's where it was going. And I think Philly was his stop. We were there on the flight, and you know, we talked and we laughed, and you know, just good vibes. He was basically telling me about himself. So it turns out he wasn't such a good boy. He was, you know, in the getting us some run-ins, and his mom wanted him to leave, so she was sending him to Philly to live with his dad. That's why he was leaving. He was about like, I don't know, at the time I think he was about like 3 to 4 years older than me at the time, I think. I mean, he was also pretty young. So if you guys know about Mobay now, you know that Mobay run hot like beer badness stuff and stuff. So I'm guessing back then when it was just stirring up, like he was like, you know, he was getting into some things, running with some guys that his mom didn't want him running with, so she was sending him to live with his dad in Philadelphia. By the time we were landing, it was night, because I remember seeing the lights landing, and that's when I decided that I love night flights more than daytime flights. So yeah, it was so beautiful when we were landing, guys, like so pretty. I'll never forget it. Anyways, we came out of the plane. I think we exchanged Facebook names because I didn't have a phone. I don't think he had a number yet because he was basically moving. I distinctly remember we exchanged Facebook names. So I got to DE, looked him up on Facebook, and you know, started scrolling through my fast stream business. And that was just about it. We never really spoke after that day. I did, you know, say hi or whatever. And I could tell he changed when he got to Philly. I could tell he changed. I think he was mad about leaving here and moving. So I think that kind of influenced his behavior after that. Sam did really change. Like you could tell by, you know, talking to him, he changed. Summer was over. I went back home. We never spoke after that. And then about 2 years ago, or like a year and a half ago, it just dawned on me. And I was like, I wonder what happened to that dude. So I went on Facebook and I typed in his name, and he had changed his Facebook name. I remember he had changed his Facebook name. So anyways, I typed in his Facebook name, and you know, his page came up and whatever. Guys, as I was scrolling down this page, all I could see was rest in peace, I can't believe you're gone, blah blah blah. And I'm like, wait, what? Like what? Yo guys, I felt so bad. Like I felt really bad. The flight was like 3 hours, that's it. I only knew this guy for 3 hours, and when I realized that he had passed, apparently they killed him, guys. He was shot. And I don't even know what to say. I just felt really bad for him because I know that, I believed within myself he was trying to change himself, because he admitted, you know, he was running with bad people and he was doing bad things, and his mom just wanted him to get away. Being a mother now, like I know she probably just, not even probably, she really must have felt heartbroken that he went out like that, you know, because he could have probably stayed home, like, you know, maybe it would have been better if he didn't go to Philly or something like that. But I just felt really bad looking on his page, seeing all the rest in peace posts and comments, and everybody's like commenting on this picture saying, oh my god, I can't believe you're gone. I felt so bad within myself because it's not like we were friends, but we met and we had a really decent conversation, and I just felt really bad. I was like, damn. And he was dead for years. Like it seemed as if it happened like soon after he left. My guess is he probably went there and he didn't stop doing bad things. He got in with another crowd. And I'm gonna say this to you guys, I'm telling this story as a life lesson, because sometimes bad things happen to people, and none of us really know why bad things happen to people. And I honestly, within myself, believe me, I believe that guy was trying to change his life. I don't know what happened, but I just felt hurt. I just felt like, geez, like if this can happen to him, then whoa, like, you know, it's not like we were close like this. We weren't close at all. We didn't even talk after that. But I just felt really bad for him, and I felt really bad for his mom, because from what I could understand, I don't think he had any siblings. I think he was the only child. And this is a quick story, guys, but I'm just saying right now, live life as if it's going to be a last goddamn day. You don't know when you're going to go, you don't know how you're going to go, but my motto is live good, live good, live good, and live right. Like, that's the best advice I can give anybody who's living now, especially if you're living in Jamaica. All of my JA people, them know say it rough. It rough. And his mom was sending him away to get away from all that, and it seems as if him just could allow it, like that's the way I see it. And I don't know if he ended up doing bad things getting there, but that's, I don't know, guys. I don't know. I can't say. Pretty much I think the only person who knows what really happened is him. But it's obvious that he was killed, and I don't know, it just made me feel really bad and showed me that life is very short, and you should just try to live life to the fullest and live life as best you can. So yeah, it's a pretty short story, guys, nothing long, just something to make you reflect and think about life and think about yourself, and just advise people as much as you can, your crew, your crowd, where you run with, make sure everybody is there on the streets. You understand? Because losing people, it hurts. And just to show you, like, me and this guy were not close at all, but I felt so hurt because I consider everybody that I run into my brother and sister, because we are on the same race, this race of life. And I would have loved so much to see him progress and just be great after leaving here, because I know America is full of opportunities, especially when you're coming from somewhere that is, you know, like not so up there, and then you go to somewhere like that, it's full of opportunities and full of possibilities for you. So I just really wish that he had gotten the chance to maximize on that and just make use of those opportunities. But it's life, things happen, and yeah, all we can say is we don't really know what happened. But yeah, this is just a short story, guys, to kind of open our eyes, let us know that life is short and anything can happen at any time. But yeah, that's it. I'm glad I told you guys this story because it was bothering me, you know. Yes, it's life, guys. It's sad, but it's life, and it's just the way things go sometimes, and you just have to know, say, yo, I just one of them things there. But live good, live clean, live loving. You don't get more than one of this thing called life. You get one, so live it to the fullest. Enjoy it. Whatever you do is a part of a legacy. I always say this, and you want your legacy to talk about you and to show you. So be sure that whatever you're doing depicts you, and it's something that people can talk about for years to come, and you won't feel bad of people talking about that, you know, about you. Hope you guys listen to this story, enjoyed the story, and learned from the story, because that's why I made this video. Thanks guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye. Mwah.